Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you something, but I gotta do it real fast. I don't want to bug them. Okay, let's do this. Oh, they're gone. Oh no, there goes. Look how big they are. There was like 4 of them there, but they're going underground now. Cause I think they got scared when I opened this up. So, that's pretty cool. And I got my compost up here. I hope they go up there and eat some. You know, this has holes, you know, all over the place. Even in the bottom, it has holes. Let me show you like this one. Like this one. I don't know where we got these crates, but we have it for so many years that I even forgot where I got them. So I'm putting all my compost in there. Every thing that, not food. I don't want to do no food because you got to cover it up, and you know it gets kind of nasty. So I rather just put it there. You know, the water hits it every time, and it's gonna get nice and moist. And you're gonna have this kind of dirt. Look how cute. And you can still see the wiggling right there. Let me cover it up. I don't want to hurt them. Okay, so I was gonna move it, but they're happy there, so I'm gonna leave them there. And I don't want, you know, I want them to be happy under there, which is pretty cool because if they got those big worms in here, that means that's why all this grows like so crazy over here. I had taken out some from over here because it was going crazy too. Let me show you another thing. Okay, can you believe this is my 3rd time I do this? Well, the second time I did it, I put my finger in there. The first time I did it, I erased it by mistake. Oh my gosh. My brain don't work anymore like it used to. I forget things, and you know, well, you know that I had, for the people who have heard my videos for the, you know, the time that I've been doing it, I have explained that I caught sepsis, and it caught my brains, and well, that's where I get all my confusions at. But I live happy, so what the heck. What I wanted to show you was this right there. That's the roots. As you can see right there, there's the roots coming on that side and back there. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, oh, and if you see right there, right there, right there, that's the baby coming out. I thought that it was dying, but it's not. Now you can see it nice and green. So maybe tomorrow, if it doesn't rain, I'm gonna be putting dirt in here and fixing it up, and also fix that area. But I have to wait for all this to dry, the floor. Look how ugly it is. It's like all mushy. If I go in over that way, I'll be bringing all the dirt inside the house. So I have to wait for it to, you know, get clean. And how you call it? They put the water to, but it's been raining almost every day. You know, and it gets to be cleaned out with a hose. You know, clean it out. So this is doing great. My corianders, look how beautiful it is. And I think they have also here the worms, and I think that's why they're growing so beautifully. So the worms that are over there, I think they have some here. So I don't want to bug them, and I want to put some dirt there because of that. Maybe the worms will come and, you know, hang around this area here, and that would be great. So I'm very happy that I realized that my raised bed has worms, because that's the, how I call it, that's the important thing in the dirt, is the worms. Inside my balcony, I don't have worms, but I use the same dirt that I have for years. I just put it in regular dirt, I mix it up, and I make new dirt with that one. You know why? Because when you get fresh dirt, they don't work the same as when you got already used dirt. Used dirt means that you have put, what I'm putting in is leaves, old leaves, you know, things like that, twigs. And as you saw before, you saw my wood chips. That's what it is, my wood chips. Thank God for editing. But how you call it? So I'm also gonna add some wood chips on the dirt and make this a better, how you call it? A better raised bed. As you can see, a lot of the water, I don't know where I've been trying to fill this up since the day I got it. And I'm talking about, oof, like 8 or 9 years. And I still haven't been able to get it right. You saw it, there's a video where you see it was nice and beautiful. It had its gates and everything until Maria came. She made it sure that I wouldn't be too happy and broke it. Thank God we're about to get out of the hurricane season. You know, I think the end of this month we're off the hurricane season. So the most horrible time is in August and September. Those are the worst time. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.